Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an overview of the Kingston Lake Rustic State Forest Campground here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Kingston Lake Campground, located in Alger County, 16.5 miles southwest of Grand Marais, just off of H58. The 16 self-check-in sites are available on a first-come, first-served basis. No reservations. All of the sites are well shaded and include a picnic table and fire ring. This campground sits on a peninsula, and as far as I could tell, all of the campsites have water frontage. Vault toilets, a hand pump well for potable water, and garbage disposal is available. The 122-acre Kingston Lake is home to muskie, bass, walleye, and panfish. The boat launch is in good shape, but there is no dock available. A day use area with picnic tables is also available. Kingston Lake Campground is home to the northern trailhead of the Fox River Pathway. This 27.5 mile long trail extends southeast to the Seney Township Park and is open to both hiking and mountain biking. This campground is conveniently located just outside of the boundaries of Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.